guys, welcome to Stillbright Servers. Now, I had to delete a live stream. I'm just not gonna tell you why. They're
The day shall come where I get to react, or we get to react to Don't Look Me Scared. The day shall come, and he is playing that all wrong.
It's not gonna be anytime soon.
Yes, it will be.
Anyway, right, let's.
Whether it be at 1 o'clock in the morning, or 9 o'clock in the evening.
Well, I'll put a warning at the beginning of the video then. Because I did that with Stop It Slender, because, well, the game, it just had weird and kind of loud noises, so. The warning was in the game anyway, so, like, okay, I'm gonna record that. The live stream was very long. Just Sam, if you're watching this, I don't know if you spotted the appropriate thing, but it's down now, so don't try and go see it because it's not there. Like my channel family friendly. Yeah. That's why I always take down like live streams. If it have like a bad word in it or something, like even if it's like a 2-hour live stream and it happens at like an hour in the stream, I'm still taking it down because of that. So one bad thing affects the whole stream. That's basically what I do. And I'm just talking over this game because I'm recording, and there's not a lot to really do in the game apart from just talk over it. Oh crap, I missed the cake. I think they didn't do anything for like 4 years, because 5 years it's considered a milestone, and I'm gonna see how many views I can get off this, because so far I checked like a few days ago, and I have 600, and I have 783. My god, you guys must be viewing the video because they're getting a lot of views. They got a lot of views. Oh sorry, I burped. Anyway, flip through there, and oh, get out of the wood. 1, 3. Also, oh my god, 2K. We got 2 of these? Whoa, what are we gonna get? Money, okay, I'm saving up to buy the robot. Hey, we got some guitars. Nah, I just have to continue. I don't want to do it. Because I don't want to sponsor anything. The live stream was sponsored. I had a few sponsors in there, like a rock magazine, but it was taken down because of that one mistake that happened. And guys, I honestly tried to get out there as quick as possible. It's because the stream runs slower than it actually was running in real life, so it was visible for 10 seconds, and before I noticed it for a few seconds, so I'll just stop talking about it. Okay, so yeah, the other inappropriate part, and I took it down, it's all gone. I said try and skip it, but nope, it's done. Honestly, I'm the only one that has that video now on my video recorder, which I would like to delete because of that. If I could find a way to blur, I would, okay? Okay, there's a big chance I will blur. Now, I would have tried my screen recorder up and seen that for a second and skipped it. But no, because that's not the way my screen works. I got a notification. Hold on, guys. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Have you ever noticed my Pokemon Bronze? Like episodes, like I've been recording for at least 2 minutes when I'm doing it. Let's check my recording time, and I've been recording for like 7 minutes. Which, it feels like I've been recording for 10 minutes already of this game, but no, I've only been recording for 4. So I have 2 times X coins now. That was weird. Did you see that? Okay. Kind of scaring me, but let's get on here. No, we're actually in Sweden. Keep this alive. I jumped. Oh no. I started the high flyer in WWE. It looks like I was really, honestly. Holy! I'll probably come back when I have a high score. So yeah. Information update. I've almost beaten my high score. Look at all these coins! Look at all these coins! Oh, that comes up again. Bruh. This is crazy. Okay, listen up, bruh. I'm gonna jump on these. I'm jumping on. No! Oh, dang it. Swing by. Absolute swing by. Has anyone ever seen Bob Burgers? I've been called Gene for me. I don't know what I'm talking about in this game. Anyway. Woo! What a package today. The cat still love the boxes. The day will come, probably on my channel, like 3 freaking years old. Don't hold my scared. Will reaction. Probably not today's video. See you in the next video. Bye.